Here's our 2000 kilo rotisserie in our signature green and black colour from Auto Hoist Australia, Ace Workshop Equipment. Just run through a few of the features. So this one's the one without the gearbox. There is a model with the gearbox for rotation. We recommend that you have two guys, one at each end if using this one. The other one can be a single man operation. So you've got a nice big ram there. We've got the stabilizers. Keeps it nice and steady so it won't tip over on you. If you are moving it around the workshop, you do need to take the stabilizers off. Also comes with large heavy duty casters that won't tip over if you go over a tiny little crack in the concrete like this, unlike some other brands. Nice and easy to put the brake on. Also has the lock for rotation, spring loaded, again nice and easy. Lock back in place, simple as that. When rotating, we've got the handle here. Goes in like so and gives you plenty of leverage to give it a turn, and then can be easily stored back here on the rotisserie. I've also got plenty of extension. This one extends out to 6 meters. And the rams are 8 tonne each. Nice locking pins to keep it safe. Easy to screw adjust to get the balance correct. Your mounting brackets slide along and then screw in. We recommend that you do drill a pilot hole just to keep it in place. Otherwise it's just biting down on the screw. And that's about it. Nice and simple. Exactly what you need if you're doing a restoration project. We've had plenty of guys, all different sorts of Holdens, Fords, station wagons, utes, sedans. Couple of guys that build trailers, couple of guys that build trays for utes, couple of boat builders, jet ski restorers, those sort of things as well. So plenty of options and a good quality piece of equipment.